Using this is a great way to start learning how to shoot video. This is how you're going to start off shooting video on your phone, because we just want to get you comfortable. This is about teaching you how to get comfortable shooting video and recording video. Set up your tripod. You want to bring your tripod up so that it is eye level, that your camera is eye level, so that you can look right into the lens, into the little record button where you're supposed to look. Pretend that you're talking to somebody and that you have great information to share with them, and you're so excited to share that information, and you hit that record button. So I talked about those apps. I actually suggest that you start shooting your videos with apps. Use TikTok, Snapchat, go to Messenger. They all have filters that give you little funny faces. It may change your voice. So if you are nervous about how you sound, why not disguise your voice a little bit?
Go ahead, be playful. Go ahead and don on your little kitty ears and have your little electronic voice.
Make funny little videos. Ooh, go ahead, give us some fire. Maybe you can share them with a friend, but you don't have to share them with anybody. But there usually is a capability where you can download those to your phone and then you can watch them back. And I'm going to tell you why that is valuable. Because not only is your camera recording you, your camera is like a mirror. So you're going to look to see where your eyes are. You're going to look to see what position you are in. Where are you showing up? Do you have too much space above your head? Is there something sticking out of your head? You have a hair out of place. You don't like how your makeup looks. That's the other good thing about filters, is a lot of times it gives you don't even have to put on makeup if you use one of the filters, because you can look glamorous and beautiful or just silly. So you don't even have to worry about what you look like, because it's going to filter all that natural look out. You can use the voice filters, or you don't have to do a voice at all. A lot of times there's music. And you can just do things. You can add text to what you want to say. These are all great ways to start practicing to use video better. Like I've told you, I'm going to take you through this in baby steps. And so today, go shoot a video using a filter on your phone, maybe disguise your voice, and just have fun. I hope that you find this tip useful. And remember, if you like me, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that each time I come on with a new video, you will be notified and you can watch the next video with Weezy. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.